Welcome to our second live trading session. This time we will practice not only entry points but also exit points. We have seen that we don't set any fixed stop loss, so the main focus of this live trading session will be on entry points and setting take profits, so that we can reinforce what we have learned so far in the course. Now, this is a bit of an unusual situation in the market because we have so many signals with the RSI. I actually was trading until 5 minutes ago with my main account and I took so many trades, and then I decided to take a break to jump onto this account and record another live trading session for this course. So we have many pairs that have already generated an entry signal, but we are still in time since for many of these pairs the RSI is still in an overbought or oversold area. Here on Euro against Japanese yen, the RSI is well above 75. We should have already entered the market with a short position right here where the RSI crosses 75 for the first time, but we didn't. We missed the trade. So what now? We still have the RSI above 75, we actually have a much better price to enter a short position, so we can definitely enter now. And I don't even want to wait for the candlestick to close, because we should have already entered this trade. I don't want to waste any more time. Let's open the MetaTrader 4, find the Euro against Japanese yen, and then open our short position for 0.02 lots that we're going to split into two positions of 0.01 lot each. Now, my best entry is 164.57. I'm going to use this one as my reference when setting the take profits, although I want to mention this once again. It doesn't make a huge difference since the two entry prices are very close to each other. Meanwhile, I have other alerts triggered by the market, this one on Australian dollar against Japanese yen, and I'm going to turn it off and I ignore it for now. In this live trading session, I just want to practice with a couple of live trades to reinforce the concepts that we have learned so far. I don't want to take as many trades as I can to maximize profits. That's not the goal for today. Ideally, I want to take just one more position for this live trading session, and I would like to have a long position, since in our last examples we have taken so many short positions. Let's go on and finish setting up our trade on Euro against Japanese yen. The ATR is 12.6 pips, which we round to 13 pips. Let's use the take profit calculator to structure our trade. We have Euro against Japanese yen. Let's go back to the MetaTrader 4 to double check the entry price. As I was mentioning, I'm going to take the best price I have, which is 164.57. Okay, it is a short position, and for the ATR, let's check once again just to be sure. It is 13 pips, so 0.13. Here we have our two take profits, so I'm going to set the first take profit at 164.44, while the second take profit is at 164.31. Okay, here we go. This is our first trade for today. We didn't do anything special. We simply waited for the RSI signal, entered the trade, split our position into two halves, and used the ATR to set our take profits. Straightforward and easy. I'm going to wait for another opportunity, but to open a long position this time, so we can practice with long positions as well. So see you later. Here we are. We have another potential trade, this time on pound against US dollar. The RSI is well below 25 right now, but we still have about half a minute before the candlestick closes. So I think that the best thing to do is to optimize this time and open our MetaTrader 4 to start setting up our potential trade. Regarding the first trade we opened in this live trading session, the first half of the position hit the take profit, so we only have the other half on the market. Let's prepare the position on pound against US dollar. I want 0.02 lots that I'm going to split into two positions of 0.01 lot each. Let's check if the candlestick has closed. Yes, the RSI is below 25, which means that we have our signal to open a long position. Let's go back to the MetaTrader 4 and we quickly open two long positions, each one with 0.01 lots. Okay, this time we have been quite fast and also a bit lucky that we have the price that was not moving much, so we were able to catch exactly the same price for both positions. We've got 1.31519. Now, let me ask you, what's the next step? We have entered the trade following the RSI signal, but what should we do now? Feel free to pause the video and think about it carefully to see if you understand the process that we have covered so far. Now that our trade is open, it's time to set our take profits. Let's open our take profit calculator. The currency pair is pound against US dollar. For the entry price, I don't quite remember it, so let me have a quick look. 1.31519. Okay, this time we have a long position. What about the ATR? Let's check the value of the ATR on TradingView. We have 9.3 pips, which we round to 9 pips, so we have 0.0009. Our take profit calculator immediately shows our targets. The first take profit is at 1.31609. And the second final take profit is at 1.31699. Let's do it very quickly. Alright, and that's it. Again, we waited for the RSI signal, confirmed the signal by waiting for the candlestick to close, split our position and calculated precise take profits using the ATR. Everything is straightforward and repetitive. I'm sure that with practice you will find it very easy. I'm going to end this live trading session here. I'm not interested in making any profit at this stage of the course. I only want you to see how these concepts can be applied in real market conditions and practice with what we have learned so far in the course. In the next section, we will deal with position sizing, adding another piece of the puzzle to the strategy, which is slowly starting to take shape.